Hey, what is up, guys? So in the video I was editing, I noticed that I lost some footage. So just to give you a quick explanation, the video was meant to show you how to change a oil plug that has been stripped. The guy that previously owned this car either took it somewhere or did it himself, and they didn't do it right. So the oil plug was stripped, so I had to take it off. And in the video I was trying to edit, I was gonna show you how to do that, but I kind of lost that video. So, well, it kind of got deleted. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and as always, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Just a quick heads up, I will be starting to put some gaming stuff on the channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do want to see stuff like that, please leave a comment down below, and we will start uploading games and hopefully some other stuff coming really soon. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So you can see, messed up oil plug. So apparently the last guy that did my oil change did not do it well. I did not own the car at the time, so oh well. I went to Subaru and I bought a new one. They're about $3 at Subaru, so it wasn't that bad. So I decided just to buy it, you know, OEM. So I've already taken it off. So as you can see, I've already taken the oil filter off and the oil plug, which is right here. So I don't know what the last people were doing, but they put the wrong oil filter. As you can see, this is not the right one. Yeah, so sorry guys, I didn't film the taking apart, but I would recommend you get these. So you can see what these do is you put them on the strip bolt, and then you just put pressure, and instead of breaking it, it digs into the thing. So makes it super easy. I bought these at AutoZone for about 30 bucks. Comes with a nice case. Highly recommend it. So again, sorry guys, but at least you can get an idea of how to change this bad boy. Catch you in the next one, and peace out. Continue with how to do an oil change. So something you always want to do to your filters, put a little oil on your little gaskets. So the new oil you buy, just dip your finger in there, and then just spread it around it. Now what this does, it helps it create a nice seal. So luckily the BRZ has the oil filter on top. Now remember, you don't want to kill it, you just want to give it a nice tight. Now for down here, for the BRZ, you're going to need a 14mm. So you can see I've already drained it. Now, another thing, you don't want to tighten it to kill, you know, you just want to give it a nice little tight squeeze. You know, maybe 1, 2, and it should be good to go. So now, all you got left to do is to fill it up, and you're good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and of course I'm using Royal Purple. Comment down below what you guys use for your cars, and I'll catch you in the next one.